idea is known for their budget electric vehicles, and at CES 2023 their team presented their new mid-drive electric motorcycle line, a very compact scooter that looked decent with plenty of power, a super interesting folding electric bike, a similar to Super Saiyan 3 style moped e-bike, and a super compact folding, not sure if I should call it electric bike or electric scooter. Looks extremely futuristic. It is light, under 30 pounds, not sure exactly what are the specs, and has a super nice and insanely cool electronic folding function. Simple, right? So simple. That's insane. But I hope to connect with their US marketing team and get more information, collect all the specs, and do a follow-up video. This is how it's gonna look like when it's folded, and it's quite compact, and it's probably around 30 pounds, maybe less. It's not heavy. It looks sick. I like this support here. It's really nice, and it's all aluminum and looks sick. And this is the support. All right, just go and ride. Let's see how it rides with you.
I don't know if I can ride it with my bag on. Let's try with it. Go for it. Oh, whoa. Oh. It's not my cup of tea.
I'm so tall. I'm the tallest guy here.
I think Austin can do it. Shorter than
Just go here. Oh my god, that is hard.
Dude, he's 6 feet. You want to be able to freaking...
He's like 6'7".
Oh my god, my knees keep hitting the handlebar. Yeah, that's awesome. It's so light. Alright, we're gonna race. Beep beep.
The horn.
That's fun. I was riding one of these around. Oh my god.
Okay, let me show you how to ride this thing.
Go ahead.
Sit your ass in between this thing.
All right, hold on. We gotta learn from the expert. He's gonna rocket into that thing, man, I swear.
This thing is awesome.
I'm glad you think it is. Yeah, he's doing pretty good. No, it's not that bad.
They fixed all this wobble thing.
Yeah. I wonder if it's just because it's this one.
Yeah, it's a little wobbly and a little taller, so I can put my knees, it'll be perfect. But it's fun. It's race fast.
There you go.
It's adjusted electronically.
That's what I was telling you, that button, I'm telling you.
Look, just press here. Yeah. It goes fast. So, you have here acceleration, you have brakes here, you have turning signals on this side, which is quite cool. A lot of things just shake and it's not ready, it's not stable, prototype. But it's probably around 30 pounds. It's not really, heavy. And if you fold it, it's pretty cool. But still, it's a lot of fun, riding it. This EV, it's super compact, and the idea, it's excellent. It is a prototype and a bit shaky, the frame is a little bit wobbly, but once it's properly done and hopefully offer it in bigger sizes with fiberglass parts, this can be a super cool commuter, an idea that opens up super fun and make bikes or scooters even more compact with better foldability. I was able to accelerate really fast, and this little folder has pretty strong torque. I like the direction where Yadea is going, and I think several iterations from this model, more prototyping, more developing, and hopefully we get a new line of electric vehicles that will make commuting super fun and so much easier.